Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily install Gatcha Live on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is click on the link under the video. It's going to be the first link, and then you'll get right here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing emulator. It's going to help you play Gatcha Live. And you want to click download Ldplayer. And then I created an installation video how you can install it. So when you're gonna open Ldplayer, you're gonna just press install here. Then it's going to install for you. And then when you're gonna have it and you're gonna install it, you need to go to home and you need to log in to your Google Play account and then click Play Store. And now you're just gonna find Gatcha Live here and you're gonna install it. And voila, here you got it. And you can edit it as much as you need. So thank you very much guys, and have a great day and goodbye.